I have already logged into the management console of the Google Cloud platform. Okay, so under compute you can see uh, uh, compute engine is there. So need to click on compute engine. Okay, so now click on so you can see that compute engine lets you use virtual machine that runs on Google infrastructure. So just click on create button. Okay, so here you need to provide the instance name, suppose my instance. Okay, so here you need to provide the zone name where you want to, in which zone you want to create. So I will go with the default only. Then third is machine type. So by default is one virtual CPU, then 3.75 GB memory. So you can go for the customize also. So you can change the hardware configuration as per your requirement. So I will go with the default only. Okay, so here if you can see that boot disk is default one is Debian GNU. So I want to install Red Hat 7. Okay, so I will use RHL 7 image. Okay, so here I need to select RHL 7. There is so many OS images available. So I will go for RHL Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, and also if you have any custom image also, you can select it also. Or if anyone you want to create, if you want to create if you want to create some snapshots also, that you can select snapshots option also. Okay, so next is boot disk type. So it is the boot disk only. So default is 10 GB. So I will go with the default one. Okay, so then click on select. Okay, so image got selected. Then next is service account type. So I will go with the default only. So if you want to create also, you can create. So then click on allow HTTP traffic. Okay, so click on management. Okay, if you want to give any label, uh, then click on disk. So if you want to add additional disk, then you can click on add item. Then whatever additional disk later also you can add. This is the networking. So I will go with the default only. If you have any you want to customize, so you can do also customization. This is the SSH key. So I have already created keys using Putigen. Okay, so already there is public and private key. So I will just which key I had created through Putigen. I will copy that key. So you can also through Putigen you can generate public and private key. You need to copy the private key. You need to copy the public key and paste here. Okay, so my username, so okay, so SSSD add item. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here also primitive availability. The primitive VM cost much less, but less only 24 hours. Okay, I will not go with that option. Then I will go with the default. So on host maintenance, migrate instance. So when the this option, when the maintenance will happen, the VM will migrate to different host. So this is the recommended. So I will go with the only the default option. Then click on create. Okay. So now instance is getting created. So it will maximum 60 seconds it will take to create. Okay. Now the instance came up. Okay, so there is two way you can connect, though it is a Linux instance. So you can connect uh, in two ways. So from here you can connect also. Just click on SSH. Okay. So now it got connected. So you can from here. This is the physical console. So so this is Red Hat 7.4. Okay, so now we will connect to OT. So let's see how we can. Okay, so now we will connect through OT. So I will copy. If you can see that one internal IP and another is external IP. So through external IP we will connect. Just copy the IP, then paste. Okay, then you need to load the private key. Okay, so the key which was created through Photigen, I had created one public and private key. So public key I copy to here, and private key I converted to .ppk file. Okay, so this is my private key, which is I converted that private key to .ppk file. Okay, so this is my private key. Open, click on open. So username already during my key generation I gave username is Pradipta. Okay, sudo su minus. Okay, so now I have the privilege red hat privilege. So okay, so now we are able to log in to Putty. Okay, so this much for today. On next video we will see how to create a snapshot, how to add a additional disk, and we will create file systems and many more. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to cloud and DevOps and system administrative related stuff. So thank you all very much. Have a good day.